Hi, this video is hair transplant restoration surgery on a black African American woman who has hair loss, receding hairline, and losing on the side of the temple. This is the type of hair loss, very unique among black women, and it is genetic factors. It's an inheritance. It's passed, the gene passed down from many generations. Sometimes we can skip 1 or 2 generations. You have to have the gene in order to have braiding cause the hair loss. So if you inherit the gene and then braiding it or tighten it will accelerate the hair loss even further. Traction alopecia is one thing, but genetic factors of this type of hair loss is very common among black women. Not all black women has this type of hair loss with braiding. But you know, there's treatment for it. There's medical and surgical treatment. I always recommend the medical first, and after you try the medical, and then you can try the surgical treatment. Medical treatment such as Rogaine will help, but it tend to grow peach fuzz hair. It doesn't really grow very thick hair, but it can happen, yes. And then you have to use the medication for the rest of your life, because when you stop it, the hair will continue to fall off. Or the other alternative treatment after you try the less invasive treatment in medical is the surgical treatment. Fortunately, the surgical treatment can be done. As you know, I'm one of the very few hair transplant surgeons specializing in the art of restoring black woman hairline. But it is required not just the surgical skill of the surgeon, but the whole artistry behind it. From the eyebrow to the hairline is around 4.5 to 5.5 centimeter. So for this patient, actually around 5 centimeter, somewhere around there. And then the angle of the temple is for men, Caucasian men is pointing most acute backward, Asian men less, and black men perpendicular. But for black women, it's actually pointed forward toward the mid portion. The temple begin for men, black men is where the eyebrows end. You put a finger breadth, and that's where the temple begin. But for women, the temple begin right where the eyebrows end on top and pointed upward. The angle is very important. We transplant for a woman is flat against the skin, pointed backward, flared out, and for men is pointed forward, 35-45, or black men is 15 degree. Selection of hair graft is very important. Transplant rows around single hair graft in front, followed by the root of 2 hair, 3 hair, 4 hair in the back for both of them. This is the art of hair transplant on a black African woman. Thank you.